Have you ever completed a task in Todoist and panicked because it seemed to vanish? It is not gone. It is just tucked away. Here is how to find every task you have ever finished, restore what you need, and track your full work history. Let's start inside a project. Open the project you want to check and look for the display button in the top right corner. Click it, and in the drop-down menu, simply toggle on Completed Tasks. Your finished tasks will now appear at the bottom of each section, grayed out with a check mark. This makes it easy to see what is done versus what is still active. This works exactly the same way on iOS and Android. Just tap the display icon at the top of the screen and toggle the setting on. If you completed a task by accident, simply click the check mark again to uncheck it. It will move straight back to your active list. If you want to remove a task permanently, right-click it, hit delete, and confirm. This is a great way to clear out old work when you are wrapping up a major project. Next, let's look at the Today view. This specific feature requires you to enable experimental features first. Go to your settings, click General, find Experimental Features, and toggle them on. Once the app reloads, go to your Today view, click Display in the top right, and toggle on Completed Tasks. Now you can see your daily wins right alongside your remaining to-dos, which is perfect for an end-of-day review. Finally, there is Reporting. This is where your entire history lives. Click Reporting in the sidebar to see your karma stats, completion streaks, and a searchable archive of every task you have ever finished. You can filter by project or date range, which is incredibly useful for writing weekly status updates or doing a project retrospective. In Todoist, nothing is ever truly lost. It is all there whenever you need it. If this tip helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more Todoist guides.